sing for you a song, freestyle. Brenda juice. Get to Brenda juice. Brenda juice. So you can get yourself this Brenda at this amount of money. Just get to call me onto those numbers and get yourself a Brenda. This Christmas season, all family members are coming at home. Just get to imagine a situation. Then you have yourself this Brenda. It's gonna do everything for you when it comes to the blending of the juice. You get to put in all the necessary fruits that you need to make that juice. You get it? That juice that someone is gonna take during this festive season, with all the nutrition, with all, I don't know, I don't know much about the science part, but if you do need a blender, yeah, right here on Jumia, you can get it. You can get it on Jumia at that amount of money. Numbers to call are there on your screen, and I hope you place an order for you and you get yourself a blender.